Hi folks, I'm Ara. Welcome to Little Garden Foods presentation. Today we're going to have some fun with bell peppers. First we're going to create a base for different recipes that we're going to show you later on in the video using those bell peppers. All we have to do now is to chop them up. We need to add some onions to give some flavor. After this is cooked, this is going to be our base for a lot of recipes. So now we're going to use our own product, our garlic and oregano dressing. The garlic and oregano complements well with the peppers. A good generous portion. Since we don't have too much salt in our dressings, we need to add some salt and some black pepper on top of our peppers. Now what we do, we put this in the oven at 450 degrees for approximately half an hour, stirring occasionally. And then we can continue afterwards. Now the peppers are cooked. They're not overcooked. There's still some body to it. You don't want them to be overcooked. And this is a good this is a good texture. If you want it to be cooked more in the recipes, you'll have the chance to either cook it in the pan or on the dish that you're preparing. Something else we can do with the peppers is to marinate them. And this will keep in the fridge quite some time, maybe 2-3 months, as long as you add some dressing to it. The vinegar will keep it. Add the juice. Top it up with some dressing. This will make nice salads and appetizers. Now that you've got the marination, I'll give you a few ideas how to serve it. Now you can make nice appetizers with them. These are the mushrooms we made in a previous video. These are marinated mushrooms. You can add a few on top of the peppers and it'll give you a nice flavor. You can add a few black olives too. And for this, how about some walnuts? Something else which you can make with the bell peppers. Actually, you only limited with your imagination, but this time we're going to make an omelette. Just put some peppers in the pan. You don't need to use any oil. There's some oil already in the peppers. 2 eggs. We'll wait. We add the eggs. flip it. Here we go, it's ready. Thanks for watching. I hope we were able to demonstrate the potential of our dressings with those easy recipes. And try them, give us your feedback, and please subscribe.